Hello, hello? Anyone there? There is. Hello, Mr. Joe. Hello, Mr. Kitty. Ender Kitty. Dun, 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 dun. What? 9? That's a yeah. All right, welcome to Modding Monday. Let's go, baby. Hello, hello. What is good, guys? What is good? Of course. Of course. You got, listen, okay? What am I saying? Like, there's gonna be a new suit. I mean, listen, not every day, okay? Like, that's ridiculous. I can't do it every time, but I can do it almost every time, you know? I can do it almost every time. If I want to, at least. Joe Kaupen. Resource slimes in space? I mean, that's not the worst idea. It's quite the suit. Listen, okay? That suit says, Yahoo! Waha! Yippee! And you know what? And the suit also says, my Yoshi's not that good. I love your videos. Thank you. Thank you so much. Flying slimes for feathers. You know, it's not the worst idea, to be honest with you. Suit was obtained via Lucky Blocks. It was, it's true. Today I sent my mod resource slime to space. I mean, maybe I can call Mr. Beast, be like, hey, can we send my Minecraft mod to space? Might go for it. Who knows, man? Who knows? At some point he's gonna fly to space, let's be honest. Oh man. Wouldn't that be funny? It would be very, very funny. Oh man. What a weird thing. Hard drive. Gotta look out for that floppy disk, you know? I mean, listen, I mean, you know. 120x modding's been so helpful. Well, thank you. Awesome to hear. Generosity to the aliens. Listen, if we have to introduce Minecraft to the aliens, okay? How are you doing, Kaupenjoe? And you know, this is a layered question. I'm just kidding. No, I'm doing great, actually. It's been going freaking awesome. I have also prepared some stuff for resource slimes, but we're going to see that in just a moment. Thank you for your videos. They are very helpful. Yes, I am German, Cypher. I am, indeed. How do you decide what community mods you look at on stream? So, number one, of course, they have to be in the community mods channel in my Discord server. So that is the first one. And they have to be, of course, either a Modrinth or CurseForge. So you can't just upload a jar. Like, that's not gonna happen. And when they're added there, I basically go through a little bit and like select between, I don't know, 3 to 5 or something like that. But that's, yeah, that's roughly like the idea. That is the idea. It's sketch as frick when you like just upload a jar file. Yeah, that would be. When is Resource Slimes coming to Call of Duty? What the heck? What the heck? Boom. I'm working on it. Yeah, absolutely. So like obviously you can also put in stuff that is like work in progress, but you know, I mean, it's best the more you have, basically. Hey, Mano! Hello, hello. I mean, listen, okay? You will... I mean, there's gonna be some sort of accent, obviously. Like, that's just, you know, that's just what it's going to be. But that's fine. I'm good with that. True. 40 new mods in community mods channel. I mean, that's fine. Listen, I would rather have like 40 new mods that I can go through rather than just having to scroll up, you know, too much. Because like the issue is also like some of the, like it's, first of all the mods are awesome that are posted there. But like sometimes some of them, like for example, the Quest API, no shade to Zancor, by the way, right? It's like, it's awesome. That's a really hard mod to show, you know what I mean? It's like, that's not really that easy. No, but it is what it is. What's your preference when it comes to making content? Oh, wait a second. I can't do that. Don't want to give free frickin' what is it called? Advertisement over here. Forge or Fabric. So I would say I prefer like the tiniest bit of Forge just because I have been working on it for way longer than Fabric. That's the only reason, really. But both of them are really, like, as soon as you know Java, you can do both. It's very, very straightforward. Clip 2, yeah. How did I learn English so well? So here's a secret on how you can learn. Wait a sec. First of all, I'm gonna get rid of this guy because like we don't need that. So here's the secret on how you can learn any language fairly quickly. The first thing you have to realize is that any language, to speak it in, I don't want to say fluently, but to speak it conversationally, you need like 1,000 words to cover like 90% of a language. That's it. Not 1,000 words. If you learn 3 words a day, you got that done in a year. That's it. That's all you need to do. Now you got the words. Now grammar and stuff, that's a different thing. To get the grammar ingrained, input. Listen to it. Watch everything in that language you want to learn, right? So if you want to learn Japanese, watch every anime you already know. Your favorite anime. Always watch it in Japanese. Without English subtitles, but with Japanese subtitles, if at all. But basically just constant input. It's literally the same thing as with a baby. You just want to get as much input as you want, and at some point, the brain's just going to be like, wait, that's how this language works. That's it. That's literally it. Like, I'm telling you, that's all you need to do. I understand every word you say, but if I have to talk, I freeze. I understand. The thing about it is that you have to be able to be thought stupid a little bit. But also think about it like this. If you, like, for example, Mano, right? If I were to come and speak very, very bad Portuguese to you, you'd be like, yo, that's really cool. Well done. Like, barely anyone would say, oh, you're so bad with this language. What? You know, barely anyone. Maybe some French people, because they are sometimes a little bit elitist with their language. I'm not gonna lie. They are very elitist with their language. That's maybe the only exception. Now, this, of course, doesn't include the French people in this chat over here. I understand that, but there are, like, you at least have to admit that that is the case. I'm French. Listen, but am I wrong with her cat or am I wrong? I don't think I am. There's a lot of people who are quite, like, I don't know. Yeah. In terms of other languages, I can, not really. I got like a little bit of Japanese in me, but not a lot. Watashi wa Kaupenjoe desu. Doitsu ni tsundei imasu. Eigo ga dekimasu. Doitsu go ga dekimasu. Nihongo ga dekimasen. That's all I got. That's all I have for you. That is pretty much all I got. Nani? Yeah, that's all I have. But that's pretty good. I had it one semester in university, but sadly I wanted to take it for like 4 semesters, but I wasn't able to because second semester when then I wanted to take it, it was overlapping with others, so it didn't work. Your accent is great. Thank you. Which one? The Japanese one? Will have a good Japanese accent. I can't confirm or deny that. It's very hard to say. When tutorials in Japanese? I mean, wouldn't that be a crazy thing? I don't think that the Japanese audience is big enough for me to warrant that. I'm not gonna lie. I don't think that that's a good thing. Like, that's, yeah. It's true. You got a flat tire, Pod? What are you doing, man? Japanese and English. Listen, if I can like change the audio channel, right? You know this like new feature on YouTube where the same video can have like multiple audio channels? If I could do that, I might actually, but like I could feasibly see myself maybe doing German like audio channel, but I don't know, because it would still be like quite a bit of like work. Like, let's be honest, like it's not just gonna be like an easy thing, because like I would have to translate the transcript. Oh boy, that would be a little bit of a thing. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, that's gonna get gift, right? That's not a bad gift. Listen, okay? I'm doing it because I don't want to give free advertisement over here. It's just my protein drink. Gotta get that protein in somehow, you know? Oh, the jacket. It's fire, isn't it? Great drip. Oh, Monday in Deutschland, Dienstag. And it's a kind of I don't know, man. Yeah, that's not the worst idea. It's not G Fuel. I don't think G Fuel has protein drinks. I'm pretty sure they don't. That would be interesting. Thinking if I make English videos can encourage me to practice more. True, it could be. I mean, it could be. I tried to like watch one of your fabric videos where you like explain. I think it was the crops where you added the crops. I didn't understand a thing. It was just like, oh yeah, that reminds me of when you cannot speak a language. It was crazy. I was just like, oh man, that was just insane. I mean, totally fine, but yeah. Of course, my man, Robin. Crazy. Did you just get that from Deutschland Dienstag? That was enough for you to like specifically put me in the Ruhrpott? That's crazy. That's insane. All right, I got it now. We're done. Oh man, that was good. It was a new flavor. All right, now I'm ready. Now, Kaupen, this looks ridiculous. Well, it's empty now, so we're fine. We now only got this one. I did just join the server to plug my AE2 add-on. Yo, let's go. I'll definitely take another look at it. Well, for today we have everything in terms of the mods that I want to look at, but there's always going to be another Monday, which is either good or bad. But maybe Modding Monday can make that a little bit better. You know, that would always be a nice thing. Okay, well, are you ready for some mods? Are we ready for mods? I'm learning at the moment in Netherlands. Fantasy Kaupen skin for mine. Well, I have added the fantasy skin, so you will see that. You will see it. Okay, let's see. I don't even know what mods I have because I have done that yesterday and I'm unsure if I remember. Let's see. Modding Monday. Here they are. Netherlands. Listen, I don't know. I cannot speak Dutch, okay? I'm trying to create a fabric mod and I keep wasting time. Do you know if there's more organized version? Well, I mean, my tutorial could work. That would be a good thing. Will you continue resource lamps? Yes! After we are looking at like a couple of mods from the community, we will look at resource lamps, or we will continue resource lamps. I've also added a little bit, oh, I might have done a little bit too much, but I've re-added some functionality to the 120 version of the mod. We'll take a look at that in a moment after we have taken a look at some mods. Let's go! We're gonna start the first one and we'll see. We'll see. But it was not an energy drink, it was a protein drink. Those are like literally the opposite of one another. Mr. HK, hello! Do you know a way of procedurally generating textures for blocks and items? I mean, there might be a library in Java that makes it possible for you to place individual pixels in an image and then save that image. But that's as far as I would know. Otherwise, not really. But you probably have to do it somehow with Java. The issue is, I don't know if you can easily do it, because I'm pretty sure when you generate the new image, I don't think that it was going to be loaded into Minecraft after it's generated. So you somehow have to reload all of the resources. You have to put it in a resource pack, reload the resources, and then it's going to be loaded in to use. That's going to be very hard to do. Yeah, I don't think that's... it might be possible, who knows? It can't be done. I mean, it might... Yeah, that's true, actually. Yeah, they're baked and also they're stitching. That's true. That is true. You're right. All right, let's go. This is... Wait a second. I have to, like... Which one did I start now? I think this is Unordinary Basics. I think we're starting with Nyadni. Unordinary Basics? Sure. I mean, whatever. It's like... Let's go. Create new world. Let's see. Exactly. Let's see. Okay. Let's see. We'll go over here. Creating the new world. Let's, there you go. There it is. I still have to fix this. This is still the Twitch one. It's fine. Listen, it's fine, guys. It's fine. Oh, I have to change my oh no, people are gonna complain about my keybinds again. Oh no. People are gonna go crazy again when I change my keybinds. They're like, what is this? Plugin development. I was thinking about it, but I don't know. I would have to take a look at that before. But yeah, maybe. What the frick are those keybinds? Every freaking time. Every time. Okay, those is work in progress. The item sorter. Okay, unordinary basics. Add some unordinary basics. Yeah, wait a second. Is there like a... Poured stairs? Smooth stone stairs? Okay, now I'm getting... This is not okay. Are there no stairs? No, there are no stairs. Okay, I was just about to say. There you go. Nice. Okay. By the way, look at this guy. Look at this guy. Yo, let's go, baby. We got some item bait. I remember this a little bit. Oh, hello there. The item sorter in a chest. What are the white things? That's snow. It comes down from the sky, usually in winter. And then sometimes it, you know, stuff happens. Why is your face so low res? It shouldn't be. It might just be the case that the bitrate is weird. Let's take a look. Stream health. The stream is healthy, he says to me. Is it like, can you only like watch in like 360p or something? Is this the case? I meant the skin. That's you. Okay, item sorter is in here. Where's Nyatni? Shift right click to open the GUI. Oh. Oh. Wait, what? I'm watching 5. Oh, yeah, okay, that's fair. Wait, what? On a chest. So I did that on a chest. Oh, you can put in multiple over here. Look at this guy. Oop, oop. Can I just throw stuff onto it? Nope. Maybe it's exactly like a hopper? No, it doesn't seem like it. By the way, this is a good way of looking at stuff as well, by the way. Put it in the chest, shift right click. Wait, put it on the chest. Shift right click to open. Then put in filters. So, this is a really good lesson, right? I mean, listen, I don't know if it's like... Oh, wait a second. Oh, it also doesn't disappear. This is like a good lesson. If it's not intuitive, I mean, you probably need to make it a little bit more intuitive. Like, I literally don't know what to do. I feel like I've done everything. It worked in the def environment and in the jar file. Well, I don't know. I mean, I might also not do it correctly, but, you know. Okay, well, let's take a look at another thing. Oh, there should really be the tooltip. I fully agree. I fully agree. So first of all of the stairs are really cool. I really look at this, right? We got grass stairs that are like literally just... Oh, look at that. What is that? What is this? What? Excuse me? What is this? The freaking X-ray mod? Ooh. The keybinds make it ignore that. All right, sure, okay. I'll ignore that. I'll ignore that. But regardless, though, that's pretty cool. You messed it up. I didn't mess up anything. Okay, this is what I'm doing. This is the idea. Okay, what I'm doing here is I'm trying to do it shift instead of control. If you're specifically looking for shift, that's a bad implementation. By the way, it should be sneak, not shift. It is actually shift. You have to press shift and not sneak. You should change that. Because if someone changes the, like if it changes the sneak thing, then they will be confused. Think about that. So you should check for the sneak key instead of the none key. It says shift. Listen, if people say shift, they mean sneak. Like 9 times out of 10. Sorting. Okay. Kaupenjoe. No, why is my E cut off? What is this? Kaupenjoe? That guy doesn't exist. No! That's my evil twin. Shifting equals sneaking. Exactly. But I have sneaking on control. Therefore, there you go. Put the chest into the sorting slot. Wait, what? Then, oh, I understand. I have now understood how this works. So basically, you put in items that you want to have sorted into this particular thing, right? So if I get like a bunch of stairs over here and I get a bunch of more, then I can be like, hey, I want like dripstone and these stairs in, and then I right click and bam, and only those items going into the chest. Ah. Okay, that's pretty cool. That's pretty nice. Okay, I like it. I like it. Okay, that's pretty awesome. Is there... Oh, redstone pouch. That's actually pretty cool as well. All right, take a look at redstone. Can I just put it in there? Yeah, I can. Oh, baby. Wait, how much redstone can I put in there? Oh, what happened? No, I deleted it. No! Oh. Yo, how much redstone can you put in there? That's pretty crazy. Oh. That crashed the game, guys. Oh, well, there you go, man. There you go. Yeah, that was a crash. So I think it happens when you right click on snow. Yeah, I right click on snow. Yeah, I did. Listen, you have to fix that. That's a thing. That's not that's you know, it is what it is. It happens. How did you learn Java? I mean, you know, it's just like, got it. I'll fix that. Okay, I'll go back in one more time over here. I mean, like one step at a time is how you learn Java. Might be a little bit of I mean, not the most satisfying answer, but it's like, you know, go through a few tutorials, like follow a few of those, build some stuff. One thing that's very interesting to build is a what is called calculator. While you are here, would you be willing to help with an issue I'm having with 121? Unlikely, except if it's an issue that I can solve in half a minute. Otherwise, you will have to make a new thread on the Discord server. Learn Java through your Minecraft modding stuff, aka you. Nice. Okay, it still crashed, by the way. This time I didn't right click on snow. It still crashes. So there you go. The more you know. Okay, we're gonna try that one more time over here. Give my mod a quick try. Well, by Maniac, it is Maniac. You can post it in the Discord server on the community mods channel, and I shall be taking a look at that probably either next time if it fits or another time. The world is now busted. Nah. Do it in the air. Listen, if I have to do it in the air, then it should tell me that and not just crash. Like, that's not okay. That is not okay. Okay, let's just get rid of this guy, because I think that the pouch is not... That's not good. What do we have here? Compass wasn't able to locate slime chunk. A slime chunk compass. Okay, let's go. We'll find... Oh, wait. Is it here? No, wait. Are we in there? Oh, I think we got it. I think this is a slime chunk. I mean, is it really OP? It's not that bad. It's like a pretty good... Like, you still need some slime to find them. But then, to be fair... Why? If you have slime... I mean, I guess to find others. I mean, that's okay. Really? Really? That's... That really? God Save the Queen music disc? What? Oh, I mean, it's okay. Fair enough. Man, I wish I had a Union Jack suit now. That would be like... Maybe next time. Maybe next time. Listen, man, I'm British. Yeah, I know. I know. It's all good. It's all good. We got Technobraid's crown. I know that. I remember that one. I mean, does look pretty good on my head as well, but, you know. There's only one true king, I guess. You can try my mod after this. You can post it once again in the community mods channel. Probably not after this. Probably at a different date, because I already have all of my stuff done. Oh, hello. What do we have here? Yo, baby. Wait a second. Let's do. Did you go to school to learn Java? I did. I have a master's degree in computer science. I know. And what are you doing with it? You're streaming on YouTube, making YouTube videos? What is this craziness? Well, I mean, it is what it is. But yeah, that is like one of the things, or one way that I learned Java. But honestly, like, there's so many resources on YouTube, and like, it's crazy. Hey, are we ready over here? 3, 2, let's go! I'm gliding! I'm Mary Poppins, y'all! Okay, that's pretty cool. That's a pretty cool feature. Oh, wow, with Phantom Embrace. That is so freaking good. That's so good. Yes, please. I like that. Because they finally have something to do. Look at this. What is this? Slow falling. I don't need that. I need glider. What is this called mod called again? It is Unordinary Basics. I will be posting a link to it shortly. Okay, the glider is really cool. I like that. Rabbit's foot. Does that just give you... That just gives you additional jump boost, yeah. Okay. What else do I have? Bottle of cow's milk. I mean... okay, I don't... I'm not a... Okay, maybe. Unknown blade fragment, and then you can make the zenith with it, okay. Sus. Yeah, it is a little bit sus. I mean, I drank it. Oh no. Oh no. Oh boy. Chest backpack. Let's take a look. We can add that right here. Where is it? There. Nope. Nope. You gotta go into this guy. Ah, Unordinary Basics. Chest backpack. Oh, that's kind of nice. I like that. Okay, okay, okay. Icon for the glider is too high res. It's not an icon. It's actually the 3D representation. So you can see that this is the 3D model of the... Wait, you can fly up with this? No. Okay, only in creative mode can you fly up with it. Okay, that's all good. They do not stack. No, they don't stack. Okay, that's actually a really funny like thing that you can do in creative mode. You can just like fly up and down with it. It's kind of funny. Yeah, the icon is actually the 3D model. So maybe you can change the icon to an actual icon maybe. But yeah. Well, so sorry, my gats. I mean, I don't, you know, it's like couldn't you like just change the like to like 720p or something, or are you already on like 360? Can the bottled milk clear negative effects? I would assume that is the case. Yes, that is going to be effect. Give Kaupenjoe, or everyone. I mean, that's fine. Blindness. Maybe I should have chosen another one, but let's see. What is this? What is this? What is this? It doesn't clear my effects. It's all still dark. What is this? Does the goat's milk work? Nope. Does the custom goat's milk work? It doesn't. It doesn't. None of them work. Unbelievable. Maybe only in survival. We shall try this. Doesn't work. Cow's milk? Doesn't work. Also, the cow's milk turns into a bucket. Goat's milk turns also into a bucket, so keep that in mind. Listen, it might be, if you just updated it, I have downloaded it like a couple of days ago. So if there's an update, you know, who knows? Okay, that could be the case. I don't want to say that this might not be the most up-to-date version, okay? So don't, you know, I'm just saying. It's unplayable. I mean, I wouldn't go that far, but you know, it's like, it's fine. It's fine. All right, so, okay, so that is Unordinary Basics. Was there anything, like, specific that you definitely want me to show, or was that roughly the thing? I mean, the item sorter, I really like that already. That's pretty cool. The glider, I mean, complete, absolute, like, Kaupenjoe stamp of approval. And, yeah, the milk doesn't work. Master Miner Enchantment. Okay. I assume that goes on to a pickaxe. I would hope so. On a pickaxe. Absolutely. Alright. Let's just, first of all. There you go. Come on, guys. You don't need to be here. Time set day. I have done so. Alright, let's see. Let me just, prepare already. Anvil. I have a feeling I know what's about to happen, but we'll see. Master Miner and Master Miner 2. Okay, wait a second. Oh. Using level 1, level 2. Level 0? Level 1. Whoa, baby. By the way, that works with sneak. Yes, it is true. That works with sneak. Ooh, level 2? Are you ready? That's pretty juicy. I like that. That's pretty good. Get me some torches over here. Get me some torches. Torchic? That's a good Pokemon. Okay, does it work like this? Oh, it actually works in there as well. Now, the real question is this. Okay, I think that's, you know. Wait. No, then that works. Okay, it just depends on the orientation. That's fair. Okay, it does work for blocks that aren't specific to that thing. Okay, interesting. Let me do the following. What happens if I do? By the way, guys, this is how you have to test your mods as well, by the way. All right, so I take obsidian. I put obsidian here, right? And you're like, "Oh, I want to do this. I get my obsidian real fast, guys." You got to test for that. Oh, I mean, okay, fair enough, whatever. Oh, but it also doesn't drop the blocks when you do it in creative. That's pretty good. Uh-oh. Does it all... Oh, wait a second. Oh, yes, guys, let's try this. Hello. Oh, you know what? We have to do it properly, okay? Let's go down over here. Let's do this properly. At the bottom of the world. Where am I? I'm nowhere. Oh boy. Okay, there we go. Okay, so this is the bedrock. Let's take a look. Okay, this is where I would fall down. Right? Now we're gonna do the following. Yeah. So this guy, I can mine normally. Let's take a look. Oh no, I want to go to survival mode. Are we ready? Does it break bedrock? Yes or no? It doesn't break it! Wow! Z! Wow! Okay, that's good. Okay, there you go. Nyadni saved you from embarrassment over here. It does not break bedrock. Well, there you go. That's pretty cool. Alright. Well, there it is. That is Unordinary Basics. As seen previously. And I shall be... Oh, no, that's not what I want. Oh, no, I fricked everything up again. Right here. There it is. Unordinary basics for you to take a look at. It is a pretty cool thing. There's some very interesting things that are added right here. Okay. That was the first mod we wanted to take a look at. The second one is going to be probably, let's take a look. Let me find this. This is going to be, I think this is going to be it. Mateo, are you still here? You know who you are. I'm not going to change anything though. That's the only thing I'm not going to do, but we'll just go in raw and it's going to be fine. It's going to be fine. Inek, hello. Yes. All right. We'll go in raw. It doesn't matter. Okay. Listen, guys. Don't get your head out of your butts. Okay. Don't take everything I'm saying in a weird way. Incompatible mod set. Install Geckolib. All right. That's fine. Okay. So, wait, didn't I do that? I did not install Geckolib. Okay. First thing. You have to add Geckolib to your mods. Wait, is this a fabric mod? It is, right? Okay, to your fabric mod JSON file, you have to add the dependency on Geckolib so that it downloads it automatically when you download the mod with CurseForge. Then it's going to download it automatically. That's the thing. But I agree. You just said. I'm going to take that out of context. Sure, that's okay. Ramen Holder, hello.
Press enter to enable the narrator.
Well, we won't be doing that, but that's okay. Agent Cryo, how am I? Oh, man, I'm good. Looking at some community mods over here, and so far, it's been good. It's been pretty good. Wait, what happened here? Tab? What is tab? List players. Wait, what? Load hotbar? Oh, that's not what I want. There you go. Okay, single player. We are in. This is a crazy mod. It is still in. Oh, wait a second. I'm crazy. Skulk is not even on CurseForge. It's all good. It's fine. It's all good. It's all good. Yes. Experimental settings. And we are going. We can't see it yet. Just take a moment. Give it a second over here, okay? Oh, it's on course for. Okay, fair enough. I downloaded it from Modrinth. It's totally fine. All right, so this is Skulk Depths. Basically, it is a mod. It is a rival to Deeper and Darker. By the way, Deeper and Darker has like 9 million downloads at this point. Did anyone notice that? That's crazy. Has 9.1 million downloads. What the heck? I think that is the most successful mod. Like that's like been created from my server, I'm pretty sure. That is pretty freaking crazy. So these are all of the things over here. I am doing community mods. I'm taking a look at community mods. Deprecated, please convert in crafting table. This is the energy essence. I assume that this is going to be found somewhere. No, I don't think. Hexerai has like 5 million, I would say. Oh no, it has 9.9 million. Holy moly, what happened over here? I didn't even know that it had so many. What the heck? Yo, that's crazy. Deeper and Darker is bad. It copies Nethergen. I mean, I have nothing bad to say about it because it's from people from my server. They met on my server and they have learned a lot of stuff from me, so I'm not going to say anything bad from them. But I also have not, I'm not looking at every mod, so, do keep that in mind. I mean, for playing, I like both of them equally. For modding, I prefer Forge the tiniest bit more because I've been working in it longer. But let's take a look at a locate structure ancient city. Let's take a look at this. Let's go. Oh my god, that was a little bit of a lag spike. Where am I? Effect, give, Kaupenjoe, night vision, infinite. You love it. You love to see it. Oh boy. There we go. Okay. Okay. Well, you need an energized flint and steel, and then boom. Okay, probably need to clear that stuff from here. Oh man, there's a lot of it. Oops. It's all good. Just replace that. And then, boom! Let's go, baby! Let's go. Put true after infinity for no particles. Wait, what? Nice. Good point. All right. So, let's see. Do we have any locate structure? What is it? Skulk? Laboratory. Excuse me, please. Can we like laboratory? Ooh, let's find the laboratory. It's a little bit lacking. It's a. I mean, I can see like what you would be going for in terms of the skybox, but hello, excuse me. Can you like click on this? Thank you. I mean, guys, also, it's in alpha. I'm pretty sure. Is this correct? It is in alpha. So, yet let's not get too crazy over here. Oh, baby. Hello there. Wait, am I underwater? I'm not underwater. Are you live making a mod? Not yet, but soon. First of all, I'm gonna taking a look at some community mods over here. Let's take a look at the laboratory over here. As a first structure. Okay. Round and round we go. Oh, nothing here. Okay, well, that's a little disappointing. Also kind of weird. that's a weird thing. I'm gonna destroy this, okay, sometimes. Let's just keep that in mind. Okay, so no loot spawning on top of the towers. Bummer, but okay. I mean, to be fair though, that's pretty cool. Ooh, okay. How to open game ad menu. If you hold F3 and then F4, you can click F4 and cycle through this. So you just have to hold F3 and then cycle with F4. Very, very useful. Okay, I like this one. That's pretty cool. That is a custom. Oh, sapling. Hello. Give me more sapling. Wait a second. Let's try this out. Bone meal. Ooh, there we go. All right. Okay, that spawns. That's nice. I like it. Oh, we also got like some custom fluid right here. Let's just let it spill everywhere. Let's go. Woo. FN. Oh. I wasn't even aware that that's also a thing. That's really good. Thank you, Luke. That's a really good insight. I was unaware that that's a thing. Loot! Oh, we got no loot over here. The loot tables have not yet been created. That's okay. That's fine. Like, once again, it's an alpha, okay? Like, we are, like, give the person a break over here. Like, it's a custom dimension. Adding that is, like, there's a lot of stuff. Okay. Locate structure. Skulk. Underground lab. Oh, now we're getting into something. That's a different biome. Okay, where's oh boy? Let's see. Fizzled bookshelves. Oh, okay. Is he there somewhere or is it like really far down? Is it like incredibly far down? How big is this freaking dimension? Minus 111. Oh my god. It is so far down. Minus 180? Jeebus. How far does this go? What are the dimensions of this dimension? Okay, at minus 256. That's fair. Kaupen. Luke. Yo, diamond. Scroll up to go faster. Listen. Oh, what is this? Yo, what is this? Is this like a thing? 2 thing and then I get a diamond? No way. Can I just throw them in? Oh, okay, I have to right click. Fair enough. Wait, what? Wait, no, that's not what I want to do. I thought I could get a diamond. No. Oh. How many diamonds do I need to put in there? Is this like a thing? It is a thing. Wait, 12? 12? Oh, am I done now? Oh! I did it! I made a hoe! I made a quartz right hoe! I'm a genius! So, like, guys, okay? Can we talk about this for just a moment? This is incredibly well designed in terms of game design. Why? The Matteo over here gave you an already existing like resources right here, right? So it had a diamond in there and it had a quartz right in there, right? And then it had the other diamond right here. Basically, you're going to pick up the diamond and you're like, wait, can I right click this? You right click it. Now you have two resources in there, right? And then you pick up the netherite hole. You're going to right click it. It's going to drain and you're going to create the quartzite hole. That is a great way of using the environment to teach the player how that works. That is incredibly well done. Like, for real. That is really well done. Like, I know that a lot of people don't think about that, but that's incredibly important. Right? Because, like, when you develop a mod for, like, weeks and months, you know how everything works, obviously. But a person who's never done that before, right? It's like, I don't know what to do here. And that was, the environment just dictated how to do everything. Freaking awesome. Very, very well done. Let's just take a look. We got Test E. We got Lost History by Professor E. Cornwright. Wait, which one should I find? Test 025 to 027. Oh boy, I gotta find that book. 207. Today I found something very powerful. Magical, powerful, come on, this alloy. Ah, okay. There you go. Also really good. But the thing about it is that I do like the book as well. But this is genius. Very, very freaking well done. Like, I mean it. That is such good teaching of mechanics within this stuff. It's crazy. Oh wait, what the hell? Oh, you can like grow stuff on. Hello? Excuse me? What the frick? Can roll. Does it like grow faster on this? On the Chrysalim enriched soil. It probably does. What? Did you not hear it? Did I just hear a car? Yeah, it's almost as if there's like streets where cars go and then sometimes they honk for some freaking reason. I don't know what to tell you, man. Of course. Like, yes. Okay, that is really cool. So I really like that. That is pretty good. Overall, the only thing I have to say is like, you know, go like put more in there. The fact the half cauldron was hidden, they notice kind of revealing. Yes, like I'm telling you, I know that I've, you know, been like harping on for this for like the last 3 minutes or 5 minutes, but man, it's so good. It's so good. It's just very well done, man. Just very well done. Well, overall, I have nothing to say over here. I mean, oh, let's take a look at this. Hello there. It grows faster and humidifies farmland even in the nether. That's pretty cool. That's pretty nice. Yeah, I mean, now it's just about, you know, adding more and more content. I mean, that's awesome. But that is already a really cool thing. I really like this, like the implementation right here. I can't middle mouse one click to get that, so that's kind of weird. But okay, yeah, but I mean, awesome. Absolutely freaking fantastic. I really like that, but yeah. I think the display could be improved a little bit. Interesting, but otherwise it's an interesting mod. I think it's really good. For an alpha stage, absolutely awesome. It just needs more content, but obviously, I mean, who knows how long you've been working on it, right? You're gonna obviously work on it, like continue to work on it, but that's, yeah, absolutely. I'll definitely keep an eye out for that one, for more updates there. That is pretty freaking cool, man. That is pretty freaking cool. Very well done. Wait a second, am I wrong? Let's keep this guy. Alrighty. There we go. Check some biomes. Oh, I already exited out. I'm sorry. But regardless of that, let's actually take a look. We got this guy. Wait a second. There we go. This is Skulk Depths. Highly recommended to take a look at, and probably we will revisit that because, man, that is pretty freaking cool. I like that. Okay. We do need to move on anyway, because otherwise we won't get to everything that I want to get to. This is going to be the next one. Wait, what is that one? Oh, yes, that's awesome. Okay, the next one is... Abra, are you here? Hello? Abra. Most of the mod is underground. That's fair, that's fair. Abra, I don't want to call you out, but... You did add a mod. You did make a mod. Ah, probably not here anymore. No, it crashed! Oh, that's bad. That's not good. Oh boy. By the way, the reason why it crashes, or why I'm doing it specifically, I'm not trying the mods beforehand, because if I were to solve that before, then it's not good. Well, it doesn't work. The links are hidden for me in YouTube. Wait, what? What do you mean, like they're hidden for you in YouTube? Like you can't click them? Okay, so let me just like quickly look at open folder. Logs. Latest log. Let's just like quickly see if there's like an easy way to fix this. Prepare injection, reject phase. Okay, there's an issue in the mixin. No ref map loaded. Yeah, you probably need a ref map for that. I need to think about that. Add Abra. Okay, no, just ref map needed test mod outside dev. Otherwise, I'm gonna forget that. But I will post that once we are there. So let's then. I guess let's move on to the next one, which is this guy. Oh, this is awesome. Okay, this guy. I'm really hoping that works now because oh boy. Phase, no Twitch. I don't know what that means. Okay, let's see. Let's take a look. Arctic. What is good? What is good, my man? What is cooking? How long did you stream that night, day, evening, morning? I don't know what that was. All right, let's see. We are going. Okay. Now, this is not necessarily like the most crazy mod, but I'm telling you guys, it's pretty good. It's pretty good. All right, this is going to be creative. And let's take a look. So, Rudy and Franzosen18. Hello, hello. We're checking out the last mod over here of the community showcases, and then we'll jump into my own mod and continuing to create that. So, we are over here. So I spawned in water, right? Is this the world record for like spawning in water? Spawn in water, touch water world record or something like that? I don't know. Anyway, it's eat all the eggs. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Okay. Now, some people might not know this, but the reason why this is so awesome is because eggs might be one of my favorite things. These mods are very cool. They are indeed. So this is like my favorite food. So be it egg stew, I don't know about that one, but the fried eggs on toast, abso-freaking-lutely. Mushroom omelet. I'm not the biggest fan of mushrooms, I will say that. Scrambled eggs. Oh, I make some mean scrambled eggs. They are really good. Scrambled egg sandwich. Yes. Yes, please. Egg mod. It's so good, right? Like, come on. You just fry an egg. You smelt that, right? Boiled egg is just, oh, that's interesting. And then you can make an egg stew. And you can make an boiled egg salad over here. You make a mushroom omelet. How do you get rotten eggs? You just put a rotten flesh in there. I don't know why you want that, but you know. You have to eat all the eggs. All right, we'll start over here, and then we'll make our way through. I'm not looking forward to the rotten egg, but you know, we'll see. I'm pretty sure I can't eat them No, okay, then we're gonna eat them in creative mode. Okay, boiled egg. Okay, boiled egg is fine. That's okay. Boiled egg salad. It's a little too... It's not enough egg. It's too much kelp for me. I'm not a biggest fan of that one. Egg stew. I don't even know. Is that a thing? Like, is that like an actual thing? Rotten egg should explode. Oh my god. Yo, that's so good. That is this. That's, yes, of course. You don't eat that. You make them freaking sick with that. That's so good. Yes. I approve of this. That's very good. Smoky bacon. Oh man. I haven't eaten bacon in forever now. Like, it's about time. Get some fried eggs over here. Nom 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 nom. Get some fried eggs on toast. Nom 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 nom. Golden egg. Wait, what? Yo. Okay, you can eat that. Okay, wait a second. We have to eat that in survival. That might be a little bit... that was a high drop. I'm not gonna lie. That could have ended badly over here, but yeah, we're all good. Just need to get rid of that hunger, you know? Or I need to get the hunger, I guess. In game, not in real life. In real life, I already got the hunger. Let's eat it. Okay, it's just... Okay, nothing interesting. Okay, fair enough. I thought that it would give you, like, regeneration or something like that for just a bit. But okay, fair enough. That's fair. We got the mushroom omelette. How do you make that again? Yeah, okay, rotten egg. Then we got the scrambled eggs, just 3 eggs in a bowl. We got the sliced bread, which is just... Wow, that's a lot. You get a lot of bread from... I mean, I guess that's... I mean, to be fair, though, that is, like, an entire bread. And then, you know, you slice it, like... It makes sense, right? Because this would be an entire loaf of bread. That's a lot of bread. And then, then you toast it, and then there you go. And then bacon you just get by... cooking pork chop again. I feel like you should probably get like 2 or 3. I feel like an entire pork chop would give you like more than just 1 piece of bacon. But that's fair. That's crazy. Jabal's hello. But that's really cool. Listen, I had to show you this because I just, you know, listen, my favorite food is probably eggs. I don't know if it's my favorite food like of all time, but it's just so versatile, right? You can make anything. As you can clearly see, you make scrambled eggs with beef or bacon or scrambled eggs or, I don't know, smoky bacon with eggs on fried toast and all of that. So that is what I'm saying. So I like that. That's pretty cool. With apple skin installed could be interesting. Saturation. That is true. I didn't think of that, but that would be a thing that is an interesting thing to do. Although is that also available for fabric? I don't know. But this is the mod. It is called Eat All the Eggs for fabric and quilt. I don't know if there's a forge version. I don't think so. Although a forge version shouldn't really be hard to do. If the mod author so chooses to ever do that. But that would be those things. It's also for fabric. Well, there you go. By the way, what do you think of my vector art if you saw it in general? Was that like for in-game art? Or, I mean, okay, just, can I just like talk for just a moment? Like, I just looked into the welcome. Hello? 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 Have I returned, please? I don't know. Oh, I have returned. Okay, it's all good. It's all good. Okay, we're back. I don't know what happened. It's like, it's just weird. OBS is just like, I don't know. At first, I thought that my internet was gone, but it wasn't. That was not the thing. The internet was still there. It just was like, I don't want to send anything to YouTube anymore. What is this? What is this craziness? What are you talking about? Okay, it's all good. We're going to get through this. No issue whatsoever. And with that, we are now on the following thing. And that is resource slimes. Oh boy. Oh boy. YouTube and its casual problems. I mean, I guess it might be YouTube. I don't know if it's YouTube or if it's if it's OBS or something. I don't know. It just didn't send any more like data for some reason. Like everything was still working, but there you go. But it's fine. Let's just gloss over the technical issues that we might have. We're gonna be good because you were about to say something. I was. And the thing I wanted to say is that in Discord, I opened the freaking welcome like channel, and it just like crushed me with like 20 new people that joined the server. That was just crazy, man. That was just crazy. Every time I stream, everyone's like, "Wait, you have a Discord server?" I still can't believe that. That's crazy. I mentioned it like a couple of times, but I guess, you know, I guess people just, I mean, I don't know. It is what it is. What is your mod? Well, we're gonna take a look at that now. Edward, we're going to take a look at that right freaking now. So, first step is the following. Get this one up. Second step is get this one up, and then we can look at it. There we go. There we freaking go. Okay, now. My mod is Resource Slimes, and I have... Okay. Listen. I have added some stuff. But the reason is, it's pretty good. I'm going to show you. Just want to say thank you because you've been helping me with learning Java. Let's go. Awesome. That is awesome to hear. There's a lot of people who have like learned Java through the tutorials. It is, I mean, I don't know. It's like crazy. It's crazy. I don't even know how many like views does the first Java tutorial have? A lot of it. Like it's crazy. Let's take a look. Let me just like quickly find that. Java. The first one has 65,000 views. Man, oh man, that's crazy. Wow. Wow. Do I put my mod on the mod showcase channel? No, you can add it in the community mods channel, and there I shall take a look at it at some point. My bitrate doesn't allow me to read any of your code. I mean, you know, it is what it is. All right, new resource slimes. I've added a few things. Now, listen, I basically implemented a lot of things from the last time. Mainly, oh, let's load for just a moment over here. And we should be good to go. All right. So I basically re-added all of the items over here. Yes, this is new 120.1. And you can see, unbelievable. You can see, so the items, right? Those are all in. That's all great. We got these guys, black opal, and also the purple slime. We also got the fluids, as you can see, right? Which you can also take with a bucket over here. Buckets. There are also buckets for them, so that's pretty cool. And you can also take them. There you go. That works. This guy works. That is the diamond fluid. We got the emerald fluid. Let's actually take that back as well. No, that's not what I wanted to do. Why can they replace each other? Okay, we probably need to look at that. Oh, good thing I tested that one. I will swim. I'll see you. Yeah, the missing bucket texture is the dirty water. I didn't add that yet. Hey, it's blue tanzanite. It is blue tanzanite. Is tanzanite not blue? I don't know. I thought that it was. So if I swim in here, look at this, right? So that works. It's like giving me crazy stuff, and I should also do this. Red. And then this is oh, this is a little bit green for my taste, but okay. That's fine. This is better. And then we got this. I want to make this but with creepers. I mean, sure. And then the last one is the pink one. Oh, that's very pink. That's very pink. But yeah. And here you can basically always see one example of a resource slime with their with a respective tier, right? So if I shift or if I sneak right click this, you can see this is right now it has 5 slimy dirt asterisks inside of it. It is size 1. The counter over here ticks up per tick. And then it adds a resource after a certain number has been reached over here. And then it adds 1 additional resource. And of course, basically the number it has to reach like goes up and up as the different tiers continue. You can see this is tier 2 diamond, and then this is tier 3 emerald, tier 4 tanzanite, tier 5 black opal, and then the last one, which is tier 6 pink slime pearl, which is the highest, which is, you know, interesting, but we'll see. How do you do the fog color? I have that in my in the last fluid tutorial. I did show that. Although it is Forge, I'm not. Yeah, it is Forge. I don't think you can do it easily in Fabric. No, I think you can. Although I'm unsure right now. I couldn't. I don't want to tell lies, so I'm unsure. But yeah. Yeah, so that is pretty much what I've done so far. I've re-added all of the slime extracts here. I've also added it so that there's like different tiers of cutters, not with different textures so far, because I haven't put anything up for texture work in terms of stuff for nano. But we'll see. And the suit looks great. Well, thank you very much. The suit does look great. It does. But yeah, that is the that's the current state. I've added no block entities so far, so now, but before I wanted to go in there, I actually wanted to speak a little bit or think a little bit about the flowchart of what is going to happen. So this is might be a lesson on how you can like start your mod and sort of think about the progress. So if I go in here, I wanted to first of all be like find gems via ores, right? That makes sense, right? So we take a look at the gems. So that's going to be the citrine. That's actually the raw ones are probably a little bit better. So when it comes to these, so citrine, zircon are pretty easy to find, right? And then diamond and emerald are okay as well. Designing the mod is harder than coding it. 100% agreed. I agree with this. Because, like, it's, yeah. And then raw black opal only spawns in... Oh, wait, does it actually have that or not? Wait a second. Black opal ore. I don't even know if I want the normal black opal ore. I think I only want deep slate and black opal ore. I did also add them to certain block tags. I would have to double check, though. So for the black opal, you need diamond tool anyway, so there you go. But that makes sense because otherwise you can't use the black opal anyway, so it doesn't matter. That's fine. Find gems via ores. So that's the first step. The big question though is, how do you get slimes? Or more aptly, resource slimes, right? Designing a mod similar to that of designing a game. I would say that it is pretty much the exact same thing, yes. The only thing is that you are designing it within the Minecraft ecosystem, so you already have a lot of things in there that you can sort of build off of, right? Because, well, I mean, that can be really useful. Obviously. So how do you get the resource slimes, right? How do you get the slimes? That is the big question. It's just like, oh, no, wait, you wanted to go to that. Okay, interesting. Well, there you go. Shove resources into slimes, get resource slimes. No. So in theory, I wanted to do this with the following, right? I wanted to go in here and I wanted to have I don't think a circle makes sense. I think this guy's fine. So this would be the slime incubation station, right? So this was my idea. Now, some of you might have seen the short that has been created. Let me catch you up on that if you haven't seen it. There's this guy right here. Let me see. Listen, guys, this is really cool. Okay, put the slime ball in. You put the stone in. Look at this. You see the slime grow right here. Is this craziness? Pretty cool, right? It is. Okay. But that's not all. That's pretty awesome. But you think that's everything? No, you see the slime grow right here as well. Look at this. And then it becomes a real freaking slime. How good is this transition? Tell me that this is awesome, because it is. It is awesome, Kaupenjoe. It is. I know. Oh, sorry. Okay. This is the best thing I've ever created. Okay. So that was the previous slime incubation station. Fair enough. Now, I gotta be honest. I think it's great. I really, really think I want to change this up a little bit. Now, not in terms of how it works, right? So I want to do the same thing, that it like grows and then it like somehow spawns. But what I would like to do is to get like a cylindric-ish container, right? And then inside of there, the slime spawns. And that's going to be like a thing in there. So like this is gonna be the controller block, right? And then this is like a too high block like block entity that where the slime grows and then the doors open and then the slime like jumps out. Is that insane? It is. But I'm telling you, it would look really cool. And it would probably make for an even better shot than this. No, but for real though, I was thinking about that. But that also means I would need to take a look at multi-blocks. Multi-blocks. To be fair, 3 blocks, it's not that bad. It's not that bad. Cow in a jar vibes. Yes, kind of like that, yes. But the idea was that I wanted to make the growing of a slime, like the incubating of a slime, to be more of an event, right? Because that's sort of the idea. I don't want it to be like really, really freaking easy to get the slimes, basically. But I was also thinking about having like 2 different sides of the mod, right? I was thinking about like 2 different sides. I was thinking about the like, you could do natural slime farming, right? Would be one side where it's like, it would be slow but steady, good for the environment. It would be, what else would it be? Let me also put that on left side. There you go. So it would be slow but steady. It would be good for the environment. It would be easy on the slimes. Slimes can be natural, you know, stuff like that. So I was thinking about something like that, right? Where it's like idyllic, yet right, like slime rancher type thing, something like that. And then I was thinking, well, there could also be the synthetic slime farming, which is really fast. Kills the slimes in the process. It's like industrial machines. Horrible for the slimes. They scream. It's like, you know, I'm just, so like, imagine this, right? Imagine this. So you get the slime incubation station, right? You have like a, and then you get the tube on top, right? You don't even need a slime to get outside of the thing anymore if you have the tube attached to it. The tube goes into something that's called the slime squeezing station. And then you see like 2 pistons that go, and it squeezes all of the juices out of the slime until the slime eventually just implodes. Oh, that's so horrible. That's such a horrible idea, and I freaking love it, man. It's so good. So that was the idea. There's like 2 different sides that you can do. You can do like natural slime, or you can go freaking crazy. You can go crazy. Squeeze me. Exactly. So it's just like, you know, this is the one that you want to go for, but yeah. Even got the maniacal left to go, true. It's true. It is true. I'm just saying. This was the I kind of, yeah. Nothing in. Oh, no. I mean, of course. Can I get some advice? I'm gonna make a custom helmet. Without armor pieces. Unsure. Animal abuse. I mean, it's a game. I mean, also there are slimes, so I don't know. How does dysfunctional prevent something you can only do in natural farming? It would also give you synth only. I mean, you could go for that, I guess. But the idea is that I sort of, the thing about it is that I want to make the synthetic slime way better than the natural, right? That was one of the ideas. Wait a second. I don't know. I want to do the synthetic to be way better, but like you have to, you know, you have to be like, okay, I'm gonna be a monster to the slimes. It is what it is. You know, that was the idea. So I specifically wanted to do it so that, you know, you might choose to be like, okay, you know what, I'm not gonna go for that. I'm gonna go for the good playthrough over here. That was one idea, so that you have like 2 different ways of going for it. it could be a reason both from the moral perspective. I mean, yeah. I mean, well, first of all, you would start with the natural slime farming anyway, right? So that would be the start in the beginning anyway. So this would be like, you know, like stage 0 to 2. And then this would be like, let's say, I mean, just like roughly speaking, it would be like stage 3 plus. If you want to continue, basically. Maybe you can add enchantments or something exclusive to the created slimes. Do slimes encourage crops to grow? Right now, they do not, but that could be a thing that that could be a thing that could be implemented, yeah. I feel like that's not the worst idea. Right, so we could do slimes encourage crops to grow? Question mark? Incentive for natural? I mean, like, there's like maybe some amount of incentives that we could add, but I don't want to add too many. Industrial farming can be made hybrid for more resources. I don't know. I want to go like pure evil playthrough. I want to go pure slimes that act like cats, scare away creepers. Okay, I think that could be a thing as well. Yeah. Maybe. I mean, maybe, yeah. But yeah, that was sort of the one thing, like the step through. So now the question is like, what type of things do I want? Slimes that prevent pillager patrols from spawning? Also, yeah, okay. But now the question is like, what types of machines would you have in the natural farming, right? Because like, obviously, like you need some sort of machine still. So I think that like gem cutting station, I feel like that's not an issue, right? Because that's just like a, wait, can I not do it like that? No, I can't. Oh, okay, I guess not. Obligatory slime boss. I don't know about that yet. And do slime rancher have a chance for hostile slime to spawn? Okay, okay. Maybe Wrath of the Slimes with a slime boss? I mean, that could work. I think the gem cutting station is fine. I feel like that should be like a thing for both of them. Wait a second. Let me do this. Right? So I feel like that's fair. Because it's like, that's not, we're not doing anything bad, right? On that one. The slime. Okay, so then we can think about it. So the slime cutting, the slime cutting station. I mean, maybe, but okay. Let's think about the old one. So in the old one, we had the gem cutting station, the gem infusing station, extra cleaning station. I feel like all three of those are fine to be for both. The OCD on that arrow. Of course. Listen, I'm not this. The arrow has to be straight. I feel like both of them work. Giant infusing station. Can you use C# to mod Minecraft? Sadly, you cannot. It would be very cool, but not really. It has to be Java. But because C# and Java are very related, shouldn't be too bad to jump ship, I guess. I mean, that's a little bit, you know what I mean, though. And the other one was the frick me. The other one was the extra cleaning station. Slime. Oh boy. Slime extract cleaning station. Not a long name at all. I don't know why I cannot size it up in a different way. But why? Constrained proportions. No. I don't want to. Thank you. There you go. Dropping in to say hi. Hello. Not a fan of that one. Okay, that's fine. No, it's not fine. Oh, it's not gonna. I'm not gonna like it, am I? Well, it's fine. It's okay. Sure. Hightail is written in C# by the looks of it. It is not. It is rewritten. It has been rewritten in C++. So who knows how modding is going to go with that? but it's gonna be weird. Okay. So you get the slime cutting station, you get the gem infusing station, you get the slime extract cleaning station. Now, the incubation station. Incubation station is only here. That's a dark mod playthrough, like a synthetic playthrough at all. Right? That's 100%. Right? Like there's no way. Oh my god, what the frick happened there? Right. And then you can do like the, and then you continue to like the slime. Oh boy. Squeezing station. Oh man, that is crazy. You can either send them there or you can send them to the slime cutting station. I like your fabric and forge courses. Thank you for creating them. Well, thank you so much. That is awesome to hear. Sadly, they are no longer on sale. The sale has concluded, but they might be coming. Another sale might come in the future, but probably not 50%. I'm not sure about that one yet. I think that was the last 50% sale for a little bit, maybe. We'll see. So we can either send them the slimes directly to the slime squeezing station. Squeezing, no, that's not it. And the results of that are going to be. Wait a second. The results of that are going to be you get. What do you get? You get the following. I want my text arranged here. So you would get, oh boy, extracts. How do you pay? How your paid courses differ from your YouTube courses? So in the paid courses, there's like 15+ hours of content already, and there's a bunch of different topics that are going to be course only. So that's going to be a thing. Hightail lure modding incoming. Oh man, I don't know about that one. Lots of extracts. Eventually kill slime. What else could there be? Let's think about that. Eventually kills the slime. Oh, also fluids are extracted. Waits for slime to grow. Oh, that's horrible. This is horrible. Then cuts them into small slimes. Oh man, this is horrible. What the frick? Oh man, that is crazy. You just wait for the slime to like get, and then there's like a and then it just splits into like multiple slimes and you can continue to do stuff with them. Oh man, that is horrible. That's just like insane, man. What are you doing? Well, I'm the guy implementing it, so but like still, that's some crazy stuff. It's okay, the slime doesn't know what's going on. I mean, sure. And that is some crazy stuff. So you can do that, and then I guess from the cutting station, you can like send them to the squeezing station again, right? Like that would be the case. Eatable slime cubes. I don't know about that one, but yeah, you can just like send them over here again. Blend the slimes to create the respective fluid. Tiny bit of fluids extracted. This is a good idea, yeah. Yeah, I agree with you. So we would do something like that. Listen, I mean, this is just for, you know, you get the, this is horrible. The slime blending station? Oh no. Oh, that is just, what kind of horror is this? I mean, jeebus. Like, come on. I mean, gets little to no extracts. Lots of fluid. They can make a low chance that a slime can be duplicated like a shulker box, but lower. Like a shulker. Okay, interesting. Slime merging, mutating. Well, okay, maybe let's not go there, Lord and Kitty. That's not that wasn't quite the idea that I had in mind. Okay, or like that's a little bit rough. Slimes drop eggs. Nah. Slime merging. The issue with slime merging would be that you would need to like how would that work? Like, would you just like add wait a second, but that could, I mean, I don't know. The squeezing station gives you lots of fluid while the cutting station gives you extracts. Yeah, it does make a lot of sense, yeah? You're not wrong. I actually think you're right. This is going to be Slimecraft. True. Lots of fluid. Tiny bit of extracts. And then the cutting station. But then the question is, which one is going to be the one that that like duplicates the slimes? Right? That's the question. Gene splicing. Listen, okay? I legitimately... Okay. Listen. I need to go. Oh boy. Wait. I thought about this, okay? I thought about literally making it so that a slime, just like the bees, right, from forestry, they have like genetic code. And that you like take two slimes and you breed them together and you get either mutations, which will result in different slimes, or you get like, what else? There's like dominant alleles and like recessive alleles, and they like fuse together and they create new slimes. I was thinking about that. However, I think it makes the mod a little bit complicated. But maybe. Make it a mini game in a custom GUI. You know what the worst thing about it is? I actually think, wait a second. I actually think I have somewhere. No, guys, I think that I'm doing this all wrong. I mean, I actually think I had this idea before. And I wanted to make it so that you have to take different slimes to breed them together to get new type of slime out of it. So I think you might actually be right. I think this might actually be worth doing. So first of all, get rid of all of those arrows because, like, honestly, they are not. We don't need those. Okay, let's get real. It's GUI, not GUI. Okay, listen, I have this very, very straightforwardly in my comments section. Okay, because I asked this, and you will be surprised. There is, look at this. Okay. There are, on this, wait a second, there are 1,200 votes. 29% of people say GUI. And now here comes the facts, okay? Look at this, right? If you go, no, not news first. Let's do top comments first. This is also a great one. So GUI is a German saying. Both are good. Comp Sci major, everyone in my department, teachers and students say GUI. Comp Science major, so people who are like smart. All my science, computer science classes, GUI. GUI. Where is it? Professor. Okay, lecture. University. Why is there no one? I thought that there was a person who said my professor says this. From Poland and say GUI. Sometimes graphical user interface. Come on, man. I pronounce it as GUI. Now I pronounce it as GUI. It's pretty funny. GUI. David Mallon. You know who David Mallon is? My computer science professor. There it is. Did I write professor wrong? Well, maybe. Also says GUI. David Mallon says GUI. There you go. It's done. It's decided. It's GUI. I don't give a frick. Integers. Okay, that's strange. But I mean, you know, that's fine. Okay, well then we have the slime cutting station. So that one gives you a lot of yeah, gets little to that. That's fair. The blending station. Well, the question is like, what gets the blending station then? Well, or it could be the case that the blending station is just really fast, but it doesn't give you like, it gives you like a little bit of both, right? It gets like medium extracts, medium fluids, right? Really fast, but kill slime fast, right? So that could be the blending station. So it's like sort of sits in the middle there. Why blend them when you can just heat them up? What the, but like, what would that do? Like heating up a slime. I feel like that doesn't make any sense. And then we got the, okay, this is the question, like merging station. It doesn't sound horrific enough. I know what it is. It's a splicing station. Oh, the slime splicing station? Yes. You splice them together. You genetically fuse slimes together to create new versions of slimes. Yep. That is exactly right. As a slime splicing station. That's pretty good. It's like gene splicing. Yes. Yes. And that could work. Do you have a forge mix and tutorial? I do not. Heating them up would just melt them into a fluid. I mean, I guess. So right now, the thing about it is that the squeezing station, I mean, it makes sense, right? So they get squeezed. Like you get a lot of the fluids and a little bit of the extracts. The cutting station, you just cut off the extracts and not like, no, that's the other way around. You get little to no fluids, but lots of extracts. And then here you get medium extracts and medium fluid, but it like just kills them really fast. Turning slimes directly into blocks. Actually, that's pretty good. Yeah, I like that. Yeah. The slime burning station? The slime heating station? Nah, heating is not in a inferno station. I feel like that's a little bit too, oh, that's a little bit too crazy. Slime burning station. I think that that's fine for now. Makes slime blocks out of the slimes. I think that's fair. You're gonna migrate to NeoForge. Unsure yet. Unsure yet. How hard is it to code a macro mod that makes that moves and changes your angle every 5 seconds? Probably quite. I mean, yeah. Incineration station. Bro, that's pretty good. Yes. Incineration station. Yes. Dehydration station. That's even better. Oh, but you're not really dehydrating it, right? Slowy, hello. You're not really dehydrating the slime. You're just like sort of, you're just sucking the life out of it. Oh, man. Oh, man. Smoldering station. I mean, oh, incinerator. Does he take the moisture out of it? Yeah, kind of, right? Like, maybe something that reduces the slime's health when increase its output. Can you take over the tri-state area? It's true. Slime incinerator. What did the slimes do to deserve this? They're giving me resources. They're giving me lots of resources. I need to go back to work. All right, Daniel. Well, thank you for joining us. Yeah, I mean, that's, I don't know. But that could work. Incineration station, man. Why are you so evil? It's a game. Or will there be a hydraulic press that squishes them? Yeah, that's the slime squeezing station. Yeah, that's this guy. Yes. Bury the slime put. What? It doesn't even, I don't even know what that means. That doesn't even make any sense. That's the, what? Incineration station. Okay. Okay, I think that's pretty good. I think that's a pretty good, like sort of way to go about it. Yeah. I have to go. Hope you all have a good day. You too, Luke. How do I create slabs for vanilla blocks without creating models for the vanilla blocks? I don't know. Fungify, which you want to fungify the slimes. What happens with them then? Like when you fungify a slime? That's the question. That is the big question though. What happens to them once you do that? No one knows. Right, but the big question is though, like that's electric station. I don't know. Okay, well, overall, okay, that makes sense. Overall, that makes sense. I think this is pretty horrific already. I think that's pretty good. You get the incubation station, and then here you grow them like really slowly. That's pretty good. Just realized your beard, Mr. Miyagi. I couldn't tell you who that is. How do you get the mob drop items when they die? That highly depends. You should name these stations in Japanese and look, okay. That's, I know. How about that? How about no? A slime kitchen where you can use them for fuel or ingredient for meals. I feel like we're going a little bit too hard into this. I was like genuinely like, oh, let's have some fun. Let's do some crazy stuff with the slimes, right? Let's do the horrors over here, horrible. And you guys are like incineration station, slime genociding stations. Like, jeez, calm down. My Lanta, that's a little rough for me over here. But they also work in coal mines. Oh man, no, but there is going to be a coal slime, so there you go. But I really like this idea. I really like this idea of the tube, and then you just like deatomizer. You know what? I kind of like that. Give you fission energy. But like, how can you like? How would you do that? Like, you would do like a slime? Yeah, it's true. It's kind of true. Yeah, like slime. Make it use FE. I mean, obviously, of course. Those are all machines. They need to use energy. I mean, obviously. But what would that be like? So you could make a slime. Oh, I know another one. That's pretty good. So let's say you want to do like a hybrid of the normal one, right? Of the this one. Then you get the slime lobotomization station. Makes slime lose their AI. Oh no. Oh, that's horrible. Oh man. You have any resources on making multi-blocks? I do not. Slime breeding station. That would be the incubation station, basically. That's the idea there. I love your tutorials. Thank you. Did I already say that? I might have. Are you a whole mechanism or dupe with dying slime fission? It's true. I think that's pretty good. I think that's like the really good like first step to just doing like really horrible things. The force of their mass. Slime core extract. Extracts the inner core, kills the slime. That would be kind of the cutting station. That would be the thing that happens there. I love how before you said, why are you so evil? And now you're coming with this. I'm just saying. It's fine, by the way. That's the idea, right? It's just like, I mean, guys, it's just like a little bit of fun in the freaking slimes over here. It's pretty good. Recently made my mod with huge reliance on your tutorials. Very good video. Thank you. That's always awesome to hear. Don't forget to add it to the community mods channel, right? If you ever want to, like, I mean, that seems really unnecessary. I feel like it's a little bit on the nose, right? I mean, maybe that's, you know, let's go full evil with the slime destruction station. Oh man. Yeah, okay, but that's pretty good. The energy of the slime sphere. I don't think we need that. I think that's a little rough. So anyway, let's like just like show you like one more thing over here in the thing. Because then I will be going soon, because number one, it's really hot right now. I'm sweating, not only because we're doing horrible things to slimes, but also because I am because it's really hot right now. Oh, and also I have not eaten all day, so there you go. Okay, so the way that I'm doing it right now here with the resources is, you can see I have this AI right here. How will you require the slimes? Don't tell me. I don't know. What app did you use for the flowchart? Also first stream. Hello. This is just draw.io or apps.diagrams.net. You can just search Google draw.io. It's really useful. It's online. And it should save this in the cookies of your browser as well. So if you just like go outside of the website, so like you just close the website and you go back in, you should like find it again. It's pretty cool. Although if you want to like a crazy, really cool thing, wait a second, hopefully it doesn't, okay, wait a second. If you want a really cool thing, I highly suggest you take a look at, okay, let me see, what can I like show you over here? Because I don't want to like show everything. I think I can show that. That's fine. If you want a really crazy thing, then take a look at wait a sec. You know what? Maybe we want to take a look at Obsidian. That is also pretty cool. So that is, wait a second. Let's just do that. That's this guy right here. This is really cool. This is basically a note-taking app, but look at this, right? So you have the ability to link nodes together, and then it creates this like graph right here, like this. It's crazy good. It's completely free to use. It's really awesome. And then you have like graphs like this. I like OneNote. Genuinely, if you try Obsidian, you might actually use something else. Then there's also a canvas like this, where you can also connect certain things together, and these can be like all sorts of things. This is a link. It's crazy cool. Completely free, and I'm telling you, it's like one of the best, probably the best note-taking app and like stuff at all. I use it all the freaking time. Geometry Dash is 10 years old, one day old. So yesterday, it was 10 years old. Oh boy. Don't do this to me, okay? Don't say how old things are. Oh boy. But yeah, okay, that's pretty crazy. Now, I wanted to show you this. So I made it so that you can, so there's basically different resource tiers, right? So you start with citrine, zircon, diamond and emerald, tanzanite, black opal, slime, pearl. Those are the predefined resource tiers. I really don't think that there's going to be any like more needed. So I don't think for the API, anyone needs to add their own. When it comes to the slime resources, they basically have a tier, then they have a texture. That's going to be the inner cube. So if you remember, I'm just going to start the game again. The inner cube is defined by this resource location texture. You give an item that is the crafting item. The idea is that this is going to be the item used in the slime incubation station to create that slime. And then also you can add a bool for enabling or disabling this, basically allowing people to use configs to enable or disable certain slime resources, because I feel like that makes a lot of sense. Just to give you an idea of what I mean by the inner resource, is this mod on GitHub? It is not yet. I mean, I have the 118 version is on GitHub, but the 120 is not. Excuse me, please. The 120 is not yet. So you can see this guy, right, is the dirt slime, and you can clearly see that there's a little bit of a dirt, like, inside of him, right? The little dirt thing. And that is basically what is defined as the resource location texture over here, and that's done in the built-in resources. So you can see the dirt right here just takes in the resource of dirt PNG. That's literally all we're doing here. So there you go. You draw all the textures. Which textures, I guess, the question. So the inner cube is just the normal textures from Minecraft, based on the thing that it represents. In this case, dirt, right? That's all that it does right here. The other textures, so these ones, right? These ones, really freaking awesome. They are done by NanoAttack. NanoAttack is my texturer, who is basically just I mean, look at them. Look at these textures. I feel like I maybe want to revisit the raw zircon again. Of course, I need like different ones for the different like tiers of gem cutters. But But overall, I love these textures. They're so good. And then also the extracts, right? You get the slimy extracts that have a ring around them, depending on the tier. So you can see the stone extract, obviously, has the citrine around it because it is a resource tier citrine. And yes, if I'm not mistaken, I'm pretty sure I can go out of the game. Let me just double check. Yep, I'm pretty sure I can literally just change this, right? So I'm, let's say, like, stone is now zircon, and then dirt is now, let's say, I don't know, black opal, let's say, right? I just changing this, the tier over here, doing nothing else. I think this should do it. Oh, maybe I do have to do that. Wait a second. I think I do have to reload that, right? Let's double check. Let's just double check. I think I do need to reload that, yeah. Okay. I need to run data first, but that's fair. Is this a mod that combines the stuff from your modding tutorials into one? Not really. How do you overlay your texture? Well, wouldn't you like to know that? But that's this very, very nice thing that you can do. That is called... That's awesome. That would be the stone. No, the normal stone extract. Oh boy, why does this always do that? Redstone. Stone extract. Wait, why would it do that? Oh, does it filter out by resource tier? Wait a moment. Am I crazy? It might filter out by resource tier. Yep, if resource tier is citrine. Goddamn! I was smart, but not so smart that I... Okay, you know what? Let's just do this. If... This is just hacky stuff. We're just doing stuff. It doesn't matter. Get name? No. Is enabled? Get extract item? Get name. 2 lowercase equals stone. I just want one of them. And then also continue, because otherwise you're going to do that twice. And we can't have that. Okay. So, as I was saying, which one is there? There's water. This is ridiculous. Wait, what? Wait, how does that work? Wait a second. How does it do that? Wait, how do they work? What the heck? Okay, wait. Now we need to double check this. Wait a second. Oh, look at this. Registering slime resources. Hey, let's go. That's what you get when you have a custom registry, baby. Someone who just started attending IT uni. This channel is great. Well, thank you. Let's take a look. There you go. It works. So now it has the different ring around it. This is the water underscore extract. Ah, it's a slimy one. I'm crazy. There you go. You just have different layers over here. So basically the first layer is the extract water, and then you get the citrine overlay. And I basically do that programmatically in...
A tithe for the king.
Kelvin, thank you for the super chat. Are you going to do NeoForge tutorials since Forge is dead now? Well, I will definitely stick with Forge for 120.1. 120.2, I don't know yet. It really depends on how it works. Also, I'm unsure if Forge is like, is it like officially dead, or is it like an opinion? I don't want to like be an asshole about it, but like, is that just like an opinion, or is it like actually a thing where Lex was like, I don't want to do it anymore? That's the big question, basically. No, not Curse Forge. Those are two different things. Curse Forge is something completely different. Curse Forge is the website, and Forge is the mod loader. Wait, what did I miss? Okay. Basically, the whole team surrounding Forge, everyone left except for the lead dev, which is Lex Manos, the person who is who basically owns it, and they made their own fork of Forge called NeoForge, which is going to be interesting. But we'll see like what happens, how it plays out, and all of that, because I don't know. Let's change this back. There you go. Run the data, and there we go. Yeah, so we'll see. I don't know yet. You know, most likely I'm gonna take a look at it again in 1.21.x and see like how like crazy we go. Maybe I'm gonna do, oh, that's horrible, but maybe I'm gonna do all three of them. So we're gonna do Forge, Fabric, and NeoForge for one version. And then maybe in 122, oh man, that's gonna be so long until then. I might change to one of them, but I'm unsure as of right now. There's too many things developing, so I don't know yet. They're gonna change a lot. I mean, I would hope so, yeah. What did you do to piss them off? I mean, listen, I think you can read their like manifesto online somewhere, like why the issue was. There's like a lot of stuff. There's a lot of grievances, let's say, in the last things. A third modding API, man, 2 different APIs is already too much. We'll see. Maybe comparable to Fabric and Quilt, but not quite. It's probably going to be way crazier split, I'm pretty sure. To be honest, Forge code has been bad. NeoForge may be better.
A tithe for the king.
First of all, thank you for the other super chat. I do agree with you though. I think that NeoForge is going to probably have way better code pretty quickly. Because let's be honest, there's like basically everyone who's worked on Forge is now like working on NeoForge. So there are people who really know stuff. So sum it up, please. The summation is there's a new mod loader. Everyone who worked on Forge previously is now working on that new mod loader called NeoForge. It's probably going to be better. I don't know which one I'm going to use and make tutorials going forward. We're probably going to stick with Forge for the time being, add NeoForge in a little bit, and then we'll see how much they diverge. There you go. That's the summarization. There you go. That's what you want to see. Yeah, the summarization. Yes. I almost passed out. Luke, what are you doing? Drink water. You gotta drink. Guys, hydrate. Hydrate yourselves. You gotta hydrate, chat. It doesn't matter. Okay. Okay, there you go. Cross compatible. So there has been one thing that's very interesting is that it might be the case that NeoForge could be compatible with Fabric mods. Just to completely blow your mind. Okay? Now the reason why that might work is because NeoForge works differently from Forge, or they want to make it work differently from Forge. That is an actual mod inside of the mods folder, and then Fabric mods can be loaded with the Fabric loader as well. So who knows? They said for 120x will be compatible with Forge till 1.21. Yeah, that's why I'm looking at 1.21. That is the general idea. Why is there sad music? What? I'm not hearing sad music. Why is it gone now? I didn't hear any sad music. What? You're imagining stuff, Luke. Just realized multi-loader dev environment is screwed. Oh yeah, that's gonna be real fun. It's gonna be real fun. Listen, it is what it is. You know. You gotta drink some more water. You know, you're right. This is a good idea. Okay. Well, this is the current state of resource slimes. Basically, I want to think about this a little bit more. We'll see. If you wanted to make a mob that is a reskin of a different type of villager, would you extend the villager class or would you start from scratch? Like, is it like a completely different mob that's just a villager? No, I think there's like a trader class or something like that. Wait, we could just take a look. Why not? We have the thing open over here. Villager. There's an abstract villager that might be worth looking at. And then also there's a merchant and an NPC interface. So the merchant interface is probably what you want to do, because that gives you the open merchant entity. Yeah, merchant entity would be probably the abstract villager, just the name for it in Fabric? Question mark? I think guess. I guess that would be a thing. Did you sleep within the past 24 hours? Oh wait, you're talking to Luke. Okay, that makes more sense. Yeah, that makes a little bit more sense, I guess.
A tithe for the king.
You prefer CurseForge or Modrinth? Well, currently I'm mostly using CurseForge. However, as I've been learning more about Modrinth, it's pretty nice. Like it's a pretty nice website. So I might, you know, add my mods to both of them, especially now that the Modrinth loader, like the app, has been in beta, right? So that's going to be very interesting indeed, because that's going to be a big one. Because basically that is like the one thing that is just so good. If you can just be like, click, and then it's like, bam, and then you just get everything downloaded to you. I mean, you got to be honest, that's really good. That's really good. I hate the CurseForge launcher. I mean, yeah, but it's still really convenient to like just download everything very, very easily. Like it just works with one click. That's the thing about it, right? So that's what I'm saying. As long as NeoForge provides a good way to port older mods, I'm pretty sure that I think that they are going to help with that quite a bit. Because if I recall, I don't know this for sure, but I think that Sizable Shrimp is still like on their development team, or at least they're like helping with the mod loader. And basically they were the person who has always made the lists of like, this is what you have to change for the next Forge version. So I'm pretty sure that they're gonna have a lot of stuff. I think that's good. CurseForge doesn't work on Linux. That's I guess that's a Linux issue. Luckily I don't have that issue. But you know, that's okay. Only part of Modrinth I don't like is you can't archive old versions without deleting them. Oh, interesting. Okay. I mean, it doesn't seem like that's a big thing that you couldn't couldn't implement quite. I don't want to say easily, but you know, I use Linux. Good. That's good. Can you use Vine? Wine? Vine. Not like the app Vine, but like wine. And also not like whining, but like the wine that you drink. I don't even know. Like rosé wine. And I actually wanted to show you how the API over here works, which I haven't tried, but who knows. Oh, what the frick is this? Set package to... There you go, okay. It was in the wrong package. Well, there you go. So there's a... Wait, is this even used? Wait, what the heck is happening here? Oh, it is used. Oh, that's why it did that. Okay, there you go. So basically, there's a resource registry, which has the deferred register right here, right? Deferred resources. And basically, you can register new resources, and there's a callback, and this is really cool, right? Because the onAdd method right here, you can add additional methods, which is just a by consumer of a slime resources and the resource key, which you can just add there, so that every time a new resource is added, you also do another thing. It's pretty good. It's pretty freaking good. Like, that is like, I like that. I don't know if this is the way to do it. Probably not. People are probably gonna like, why would you do that? Just do the other thing with the Bimbleboozle and the Bilble and the, I don't know, the Bilbo Baggins, and then all of a sudden, bam, you got everything. And I'm like, I don't understand. I don't understand. But also, I haven't tested it yet, so like I haven't tested it with another mod. I still have to do that. So, what's the difference between a callback and a runnable? I don't know what you mean. I'm just, the callback in this case is just, you can see that, okay. Callback fired when objects are added to the registry. This will fire when a registry is rebuilt on the client side from a server-side synchronization or when a world is loaded. The idea is that the callback, in theory, should be added or should be called every time you add a custom slime resource. And what you can do is you can call the add additional methods method, passing in a by consumer over here, which is then going to call that specific method. Basically, if you're like, hey, every slime resources should be disabled, you can do that. You can go in here, I think, you can do, let's try it out. slime resource callback dot add additional resource. Then we can be like a slime resource loader, right? So bam, this one. And then we just say slime resource dot. Can I set enabled? Is enabled? Can I set this? Set enabled false. Right? Bam. Right here. Right? So in theory, if I understand how this works, what it should do is it should disable every slime resource that exists. Let's just try it out. I have no idea if this works. I've never tried this before, so there you go. We'll see. Also, it's gonna do that. Yeah, no, that should work. Yes, that. Why are you using that by function on every registry object? Because that's how you do it. You have to call a specific method on every object that gets added. I don't understand what you're talking about. I don't know if this is gonna do it, but if this would work, that would be pretty cool. It did not work. Well, listen, okay, it was worth a try. I mean, you know, it's worth a try. I think the reason why it doesn't work is because I'm not using it that way, right? I think. Oh wait, is this calling it beforehand? Oh, that's a good point, right? Would have to add that before. You don't have to add that here. You have to add that like at the very beginning. Ooh, I don't know if I like that. Let's just try it out. What the hell? I mean, the worst thing that can happen is the game crashes. I don't know. It doesn't matter. What about an item makes you transform into a slime just for fun, bouncing around? Yeah. When your mod is loaded. No, it's a callback. It's not a callback. Yes, it happens after, but you add the method. This by consumer is added to a list that gets called right here. The issue is, though, I have to add the by consumer before I register my extracts, my resources, because if I do it after, then obviously that's yes, I get it, but I'm trying to disable all my resources. Okay, that actually makes a lot of sense. Now, you can see it's null because it doesn't exist. Because it works. The reason why it doesn't work is because now the mod creative mode tab doesn't have the freaking the built-in resource over here. That's why it doesn't work. So now what I can do is I can just keep that one and the rest I'm just gonna get out of here. Okay, well, yes. Oh, all of a sudden, yes. Yeah, of course it works. But like, I don't understand your like insistence on what the issue was. Look. Sometimes you're a little bit too sure of yourself. That's what I'm saying. Ratioed by Kaupenjoe. I'm not gonna. No, that's not true. Wait, what am I doing? Let's just do this. It doesn't equal stone. It doesn't matter for loading order. No, that's not true. You know, the issue, look, I think the issue is that it's not, communication via chat here is not really going to be conducive to doing any of that. You know what I mean? This is Forge, by the way. This is Joe. Kaupenjoe. Okay, and now we will see that only the stone extract is going to work. And all of the others are turned off. Disabled. See, that's really weird. Wait. If slime resource name is lowercase equals stone. If it doesn't equal stone, then set enabled false. So you would disable, but like, why would it? Oh, that's interesting. You make a video on a custom mobs and bosses. Mobs probably. Bosses, maybe. They're looking handsome. Thank you. It's all the suit and the face, of course. No, but like the suit does help. Okay, that's weird though. That's weird. Is enabled. Forge or NeoForge? Well, I mean, currently I'm using Forge. We'll see where the thing goes. I don't know yet. Oh, am I not even looking at whether or not I should add the item? That's probably going to be why. So what are you doing? Okay. I'm trying. I don't think anyone will ever use this. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter if anyone uses it or not. I just wanted... this is 1.20.1, yes. So I was thinking about making it so that I can disable the slime resources. Now, the reason why it doesn't work, I think, is because I'm not actually looking at is enabled anywhere. I mean, I'm doing it here, but... Wait a second. What am I doing? Oh, that just adds the... to the resource. That's not what you need to do. That's not what I want to do. Adding something so other mods can alter his registered objects. No. You have to do this in the register method in the built-in items. Yeah. Wait. Now, I know this. This is where you need to do this. So, registry is... .get.is enabled. And then you add the extracts. That is what it is. There you go. And now it's gonna work. Frick me, man. That's a big one. Quick question. What do you would be the proper way to create a quaternion F for a GUI? Oh boy. That is I have no idea. I don't know if I've ever created one of those. Let me see. Let me double check over here. I don't even know if this is like a quaternion F. Would you even need that? I feel like that's not a thing that you need. I thought that there was I thought that they use a matrix. Oh, that's not good. Null. Fail to create mod. What do you... Yeah, I don't think you need a quaternion for that. Registry object not present. Resource slime stone. Built-in resources 93. Wait, what? Wait, now I'm going even crazier. Get value. What the frick? I mean, this is craziness. What? But why would this not be available? 28. Yeah, which is right here. 28. Stone. And you call the register method. And you register it. Name. You're right, you're not using the registry because it doesn't exist yet. Whoa. Modding Monday session to your channel. Yeah, so basically they are on the live tab. So you can take a look at that. Requires a quaternion. Oh, that one requires a quaternion. That makes a lot of sense. Let me take a look. That would be in the block entity incubation station. Entity renderer. Render entity in inventory. Oh, wait, that's the inventory. That would be the screen. Screen incubation station screen. Am I not using that? That's weird. Render entity. Render entity area? Render entity. Oh, render slime. I use entity widget. Oh, wait, what is this? Oh, I'm using the entity widget from Turdy over here. You might want to take a look at that. I don't know if this is updated or not. Oh. Take a look. It's missing. That's not good. Oh boy. Turdy, what are you doing? No, is this no longer a thing? What is this? 119.4? Okay, let's see. Is this still a thing or is this no longer a thing? Search inside of here. Entity widget. No, it still exists. Just somewhere different. You maybe want to take a look at that, Ronald. I'm using the entity widget to draw the entity. And then just like everything here is just handled for me, basically. Vector 3 from the class 116 has a bunch of methods to easily create quaternions. And copy, I think. That, I guess. I mean, I'm just doing that. I'm not dealing with this. But basically, I mean, look at this, right? So basically, in the render entity, we just add the rotation over here, and the quaternion is just minus X rotation, minus Y rotation, minus Z rotation, and then a true right here, I guess. Even though a quaternion is a... Oh, it's not a... Wait. It's some util math, so it's not even a quaternion F. But isn't it... A quaternion is a 4-dimensional vector, though. Why does it only require X, Y, and Z? I guess that's the thing. Do you plan on continuing the Java series? Maybe add reflection and I/O? I don't know. Sci4, you can make a gist. Also, hello, Sci4. Hello. You could make a gist and post it, I guess. I think that links are okay, I think. I don't know. I don't think I'm going to continue Java, though. I might make a new series, but I think reflection and I/O is just, it's not needed for specifically like modding. Just lurking. All right, man. It's totally fine. That's why I don't think it's really necessary to like do that. But yeah, that would be the thing to do. I think quaternion is from it's a quaternion from Euler angles. Yeah, I think so too. I think that's how it's done. But still, that's, oh man. It's good that that's done just like automatically. Okay, so this for some reason doesn't work. I guess fair enough. Maybe you are right, Luke. I don't know. I have to take a look at it again. Listen, I made this and I didn't test it. Okay, I just added it. So maybe I have to take a look at that again. Because I think that's not. Because like at the end of the day, also to do that, they would have to add the buy consumer before I call the built-in resource times. It's not. I don't think it's good. Modding tutorials have been a lifesaver for cavemen like me to learn coding. Well, thank you so much. Awesome to hear. But yeah, honestly, like that's kind of like where I want to keep it at. We'll probably, as for the flowchart, we'll probably take a look at a little bit of the block entities next time, like properly like going in, and like taking a look at that. But I think that's pretty good. I think that's brutal enough. Yeah, it should be pre-common setup event. Yeah, I think so too. And then there should also be a different way of getting the slimes rather than the incubation station, right? There should also be like a natural way. Natural way of getting slimes. There you go. Limes. Limes. Just join. What are you making? Well, we're looking at resource limes. My own mod. I'm just going to show it one more time over here, right? Because we got a little churn over here. People like coming in and out. Basically, right now, just sort of thinking about like where am I going? Where I'm going. Maybe slime chunks. Maybe. I don't know. The series is almost complete. Just need a few more things. Maybe. I don't know. Just got I got home already. Well, hello there, pod. However, we're not gonna do much longer. I know this is horrible for retention, by the way. It's not good. Because then people are like, oh, well, then I can just like break off. It's like, no. So basically, we got ourselves some slimes over here, right? Awesome resource slimes. All sorts of resources added over here with the lovely textures from the good old nano attack. Doing those textures, awesome. And yeah, I mean, we're gonna see. I think that so the first two are probably gonna be really easy to get, and then you're gonna be able to do a lot of resources with those. And then starting at resource 3 or like 2 is actually 0, 2, 1, 2. We're gonna like start going a little bit crazier. I'm not planning to continue in foreseeable stick for Kaupenjoe for now. Oh, okay. Well, there you go. Can you create a tutorial about moving blocks? Building a rocket or plane? Yeah, I don't think so. That's not gonna happen. Can we get some plane tutorial when in chat? it's a meme. It's not a personal attack. It's just a meme. There was this one person who was going around every modded server asking about how they could make a plane in Minecraft, and let's just say like they didn't know any Java at all, right? And basically everyone everywhere was saying this is like really hard to do, how to make a plane. Like, you need to, like, learn a lot of Java, and they basically just didn't learn any Java at all, and, yeah. Well, I thought that was just my server. No! Sai, they went everywhere. They were basically, at some point, they were banned. I'm pretty sure they were banned from MMD, from Modded Minecraft, like, Modded MC, and from Forge server, and I'm pretty sure they are also banned in my server. No, they're muted. They're only muted, I think. So they can still see everything, but they just can't do it. Like, they can't say anything. So, yeah, that was pretty rough. That was a pretty interesting moment, definitely. Who was it? I'm not gonna say the name. Like, that's just cruel, okay? That's just cruel. It's just a little bit of a bummer, you know, because some people just, like, they don't want to be helped, so to speak, right? Like, they just be like, oh, I just want to make a custom plane. It's like, well, you need Java knowledge. You cannot do it otherwise. On an Apple. Yeah, I saw that video. So I actually thought about doing a similar thing on April Fools, where I was like, oh, how to make a plane, but the April Fool would be that I actually make a plane tutorial. So that's like a double April Fools, right? So that it's like actually, like people actually learn from that. They're like, oh, yeah, sure, that's a plane tutorial. And then they watch it and they're like, wait, that's actually a plane tutorial. It's like a very, very basic one. I think that it's not the worst thing in the world. It's still not good for people to like just copy it straight from like a tutorial, because I think that that's a thing that's way too complicated. But I don't know. I think that I could do something like that. I kind of think, now that I'm thinking about it, I don't think that it's gonna be that bad. Maybe next time we're not going to talk. Maybe next time we're not going to do resource lamps. Maybe next time we're going to do a plane. How about that? You like that? Wait a second. I'm gonna make a poll from that. Wait, let's make a poll. Let's see what the people say. Okay, let the people decide. Engage with your audience. Exactly. Make a poll. We'll do that. Should I make a plane next time on Modding Monday? Yes or no? Ask your community. Let's wait a second. There it is. We'll let this go for like a minute. Let's see. The guy has finally been satisfied. Well, listen, we'll see, okay? Let's just like, why not? It's just a boat that goes up in space. Kind of, yeah. I mean, yeah. I mean, sort of, more or less. Yeah, a plane. Yeah. What do you think about no-code editors like mCreator? I mean, I think that so first of all, for a long time, mCreator generated really bad code, so it's not like good, well done in that sense. And other than that, it's like, it's okay for like complete beginners, or actually, wait a second. It's okay for artists that might want to like quickly put their art into the game. I feel like that can be really useful for them. But like, honestly, it's just better to learn Java. Like, for any serious mod, you're probably gonna need Java. Like, it's just the case. All right, there we go. 80-20. 80% say, yes, we want a plane next time. Oh boy. I don't know if we're gonna do that, right? I don't know if it's gonna work, but we can try. You can certainly try, because why not? Because why not? It's not gonna look good. It's probably not gonna be like a crazy thing. But what it will do is this. It will definitely get some people to watch the stream, because they're like, what? Any chance you make videos on Quilt? I'm unsure. Like, it's not, I think that it's like still so similar to Fabric that I don't know if it's like a thing. Like that it's like really necessary. But But I also have not looked too deep into it, so I might be wrong on that. So don't quote me on that. But yeah, that would be the idea. Man, what a freaking incredible idea. Just live coding of plane. And then finally we got it. And then next time on April Fools, I will just do that. So no one steal my good idea. Plane modeling contest in the Discord. Let's not do that. I let's not go crazy there. Plugin developer. I know I'm not meant to use a lot of static, but when watching your tutorials, I saw a lot of static. Isn't considered static abuse. I don't know about that. So I just see a lot of people using static, and we'll see. I don't understand why you wouldn't use it. I see every other mod use tons of static in everything. So I don't know. There's some points sometimes where you shouldn't, but yeah. How realistic will the plane be? Probably not really very realistic. It's probably just going to be an entity that's going to be like nothing, and then I don't know. What do you think about Kotlin? Most Java boomers hate it for some reason. I just don't really care for it. I know Java. Yeah, I could do Kotlin, but it looks different. It's different. It's not, I don't know. So I don't know. I don't hate it, but I'm also not using it, and I'm probably not going to use it, because why use something that's like literally the same thing, but I can do it worse. It's like, it doesn't make any sense. It's just like if you were to tell me, you know, you now have to make your tutorials in Japanese. It's like, what? That's ridiculous. I can't speak Japanese. Will you push the plain code to GitHub? Yes. Whatever happens at the end of next time, I will push that code to GitHub. If it works, it works. If it doesn't, it doesn't. If it's the worst code I've ever written, then it is what it is, but I will do that. Yeah. We will do that. And then next year, in like, what is that? Like 9 months, I'll do that. Do a fully German tutorial in April Fools. Man, that's actually also a really good idea. I could be like, Grüß Gott! Jo, da machen wir mal ein Tutorial hier. In Minecraft. Ja, das wird ganz interessant. Und dann wird man sich das mal angucken. Was wird hier gemacht? Ich weiß es nicht. Oh, that would be something. Also, I wanted to say thank you for your tutorial because they really helped me understand the basics of modding. Awesome! You know it's possible to make a plane that the player can edit to make it bigger or longer. My man, that gets like infinitely more complicated. Because in theory, that would mean that you would need to make an entity where you have to change the model depending on basically like it's different things. It's not a thing. That, or maybe do a strong Indian accent. I'm pretty sure I'm not allowed to do that. I'm pretty sure that would be considered racist. That's some create mod thing. Yeah, I kind of like that. It's a lot. I don't think that's good. I don't think that you should do that. Anything when you're like, how can I do this thing like create? Then it's over. Like, it's not, because create is a class of itself. Like, genuinely. Create is a mod that's crazy. So weird that doing an accent is considered racist these days. No, only particular accents. I can do... Listen, okay? We'll not get into this. Okay? We won't get into this. But I could do a French accent, and no one would bat an eye. They don't care. People don't care about that one. Absolutely not. Listen, let's not get into it, okay? Let's not. I'm gonna clip this. Don't, Luke! Order! Order! And you were the first one to make order over here, Luke. Don't do that. Do it. Don't! Oh, that's not good. Oh boy, as long as you don't make a Polish accent. I think I can make a Polish accent. I think that's okay. There's a difference between... Listen, okay? We won't repeat last time. And with last time, I mean... No, I mean last... I mean last stream. Listen, okay? Now I'm just baiting, okay? Now I'm just baiting, okay? Oh, man, that's really funny. Oh, that's really funny, though. I don't even know at this point. That's really good. Oh, man. Oh, no. Ladies and gentlemen, we got him. Gotcha again. Oh man, that's just really good. Bro, do you realize the irony? My man, it's like I'm... Oh, you done it before? No, I'm not. No. I've done nothing before, okay? It's all good. Guys. It's all good. It's all good. Well, I baited a clip last time already, okay? Baiting. Are you a master? I'm a master debater. Absolutely, man. Absolutely. You know, it is what it is. Anyway, guys, Modding Monday. Crazy stuff. Don't forget to post your... Let me actually get my Discord over here. Don't forget to join the Discord server if you haven't already. And if you want your mod to possibly be featured in a future modding Minecraft, Jesus. Then post it in the community mods channel. Either in a as a modrinth or a CurseForge page, please. And when you do that, maybe your mod might be featured in a future Modding Monday. But we will be back next week. There's nothing standing in the way. The 21st of August, Monday again, and we will see the vector art. I will take a look at it in... Wait, I've seen the vector art, my man. It's good. I like it. And then we'll see. Mohamed, the difference between paid and YouTube courses is paid is like way more stuff, like 15 plus hours, and some things are going to be like some topics are going to be course only. So there you go. But yeah, courses are linked in the description below, by the way. You can take a look at them. You can also take a look at when you join, like go on the page, there is a like list of curriculum. So you can see like what is in there. And if something like interests you, then highly recommend it to take a look at that. If you're a complete beginner, highly recommend it to first check out the YouTube tutorials, because most of the stuff that's interesting in the courses is going to be the things that are like advanced, right? Like the advanced stuff is way more interesting than the beginning stuff. But yeah, that would be it. And yeah, that's going to be it for Modding Monday on this beautiful Monday. Hope you had an awesome time. You learned something new and it was just like nice. And I guess hopefully I will see you all next time. So